Want the perfect blend of style, durability, and affordability? Discover the versatility of vinyl flooring, your go-to solution for beautiful and practical floors. Vinyl flooring offers a wide range of designs, from natural wood grains to sleek stone and tile looks, allowing you to achieve any style you desire without breaking the bank. Vinyl flooring is water-resistant, tough, and easy to maintain. Installing vinyl flooring is simple and hassle-free, with options like peel and stick or click-lock systems that make it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Vinyl flooring complements any decor, adding comfort and elegance to every space. Ready to transform your space with beautiful, durable, and affordable vinyl flooring? Contact us or visit our website today.